Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the Truecar app works, what features it includes, and whether or not it's worth using for buying or selling a car. The Truecar app is designed to make car buying and selling easier by connecting users with certified dealers and showing upfront pricing. When you open the app, you're prompted to search for a vehicle new or used by entering details like make, model, and zip code. Truecar then shows a range of prices for that specific vehicle in your area, highlighting what others paid so you can gauge whether you're getting a good deal. This transparency is one of the app's main selling points. One of the most useful features is the price confidence indicator, which shows how competitively priced a vehicle is based on recent local sales. Each listing also includes a breakdown of estimated fees and taxes, helping you see the full cost before contacting the dealer. For used cars, Truecar also includes vehicle condition reports, mileage, accident history, and dealership reviews, all without needing to sign in. However, to contact dealers or save searches, an account is required. For those selling a car, Truecar allows users to get instant offers by entering their vehicle's VIN or license plate. You'll receive offers from certified dealers, and if you accept one, you can either bring your car in or schedule a pickup, depending on your location. It's not as customizable as dedicated selling platforms, but it's quick and convenient for those looking to offload their vehicle fast. A drawback is that while Truecar provides pricing data, you're still dealing with dealerships, not private sellers. This means you may face upselling, extra fees, or sales pressure once you're at the lot. Also, some listings might be outdated or unavailable, depending on how frequently dealers update their inventory on the platform. In summary, Truecar is a solid option for buyers and sellers looking for upfront pricing and local deals, especially if you want to avoid negotiating. While it doesn't replace shopping around or physically visiting a dealership, it gives you a strong starting point and helps you understand what a fair deal looks like. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.